Affordable, foldable, lithium e-bike nandito na! Introducing NXT Revo Fold. Ang NXT e-bike na swak sa urban lifestyle mo. Kaya kung ikaw ay isang urban professional, student, delivery rider, o gusto lang mag-start na eco-friendly lifestyle, this is for you.
Powered by a 500 watts brushless motor at 48 volts 20 amperes lithium-ion battery. Kaya nitong mag-travel ng 30 to 50 kilometers. Fit, tahimik at smooth ang ride. May top speed na hanggang 30 kilometers per hour. At may mechanical disc brake sa harap at likod. Safe kahit mabilis ang biyahe. Comfortable din, thanks to its front and rear hydraulic shocks at 2.50 by 16 tires. Mas malaki na compared sa NXT e-Fold before. Ready kahit lubak o rough road. Tapos, kung space saving ang hanap mo, no problem. Foldable to. Perfect para sa mga nakapondo, office workers, or students on the go. At dahil removable ang battery, pwede mo itong i-charge sa bahay at may charging time na 6 to 8 hours. Good to go ulit! May dual headlights para sa night rides at pedal assist para sa dagdag tulong sa long trips.
Hindi lang compact, powerful din ang features ng NXT Revo Fold.
Kayang-kaya nito ang capacity na up to 2 kilos. 3 amperes charger, may 4 vibrant colors. May kasama na din na water bottle holder. Meron itong dimension na
NXT Revo Fold comes with the following warranty. 1 year for motor and battery, 6 months for charger and controller. For charge-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, that's the one today.